Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to add or play song in Snapchat Snaps. Follow these easy steps to easily add any snaps with song. And the steps will be similar for Android and iPhones. Go ahead and launch your Snapchat app. And now I'm going to capturing a photo for my snap. And now, for example, I want to add a music in these snaps. So here's I'm tapping on this music icon. And now in this features section, you will find lots of music. You can pick any music from here. Or if you want to search for a specific song, just tap on the search bar. And here, search for the music that you want to add. And add the music. Once the music added, here you will be able to crop the music. For example, I want to add the music from 20 seconds and then tapping on done. And as you can see, the music has been added. Now you can change the music tag size by pinching your fingers like this. Also, you can change this tag position. Once done, tap on Send To and select Snapchat account. So we want to send the snap and just tap on Send. So this is how we can send snaps with song. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.